There's something we must compare contentment with before I close, and it is satisfaction with mediocrity. If you lack understanding, you may think contentment is the same thing as being satisfied with mediocrity. Mediocrity is living an average life. Mediocrity is living below your capacity. Contentment does not mean that you are okay living below your capacity. It means that you have found peace with your current level while pursuing something really better. A contented man will never say, God, I give you 7 days. If you don't do it, you have lost a son. You know, when you hear things, a lady once said, Lord, I give you, I think it was 1 month. If you don't give me a husband, I will go and get pregnant. Let's see what will happen after that. I'll just go and get pregnant. The Bible says, he that sitteth in the heaven will laugh. There are people that you even question their identity. When you have contentment, you will not be like that. Mediocrity says, it's below my capacity, even though I can do more, but it's okay here. Contentment says, I am happy with what I have, but I'll keep pressing on further to achieve more. If I get it, praise God. If I don't get it, praise God. So that's the difference. Mediocrity is laziness. Mediocrity is sponsored by lack of drive, lack of zest.